We're going to look at a full Math 4 course test review. Okay, so in this video, it's quite a bit of a different one. Since we're doing an actual test, we're going to cover what a test is. So first, obviously, write our name, the math lab, and our teacher is Mr. Johnson. Just pretend that's true. Okay, so you can work along this while I do cover this paper. This is going to be part 1 of quite many parts because this is quite a long test. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, our first question is 3n times n. Well, as we have two n's, n times n equals n squared. And there's nothing to times 3 by. So this equals 3 plus n squared, which is, not 3 plus n squared, 3 times n squared, which is 3n squared. So this is 3n squared. Okay. Now, it asks us to simplify as much as possible. So how we're going to simplify this? So we can see that there's a common of 3x squared and 2x squared. So we can just minus them by each other. So we x squared, then minus 4x and 9x, that's plus 5x, then plus 7. So our answer is x squared plus 5x plus 7. Quite easy, isn't it? Okay, as we have brackets, we will be focusing on this one first. So the brackets is 2a squared. So we have to square the 2 and the a. This will equal 4a squared. Then we do 2a squared minus 4a squared, which then equals minus 2a squared. Okay, fractions. We need to find a common. We can, I shouldn't use yellow, it's not the best colour. We can minus the y's, and this will show a normal y. And we can divide by 4. 6. Actually, no, we don't do that first. So we find the common. So it's 24xy divided by 6. This equals 4xy, which is the most simple answer. Factorization. Factorization, if you've seen our videos, is where we need to put something into brackets. So again, we need to find a common. What can we divide 15 by that we can divide 5? Well, the highest common factor is 5. So we'll do, and they both have a, so we can minus a, do a, and that'll carry a. So it'll be 5a and 3b. I believe so. 5a plus and a plus 3b. So it's 5a brackets a plus 3b is our answer. Okay, we'll skip this question since we have not covered that in the Math 4 course yet. And we'll move to this one. So percentages. This will be our last question of the year. A shop holds 40% off sale. The original price is 180. Find the sale price of the coat. 180 is our original price. We have to times by 0.6. This is because 0.6 equals minus 40%. This is by 1 equals 100%. If you minus 40 equals 0.6. So I need to erase this. So our equation is 180 times 0.6. So if you put that in your calculator, this equals 108 pounds. So our answer is 180 pounds. Hope you enjoyed that video, and that is part 1 of the Math Full Course test. Okay, so these type of videos are going to be quite short, but many episodes, to really cover the most important parts on what we have to learn and cover. Okay, so let's start in percentage. So the sale price of a pair of shoes was £37.50. Find the original price. We can see here a shop holds a sale of 40%. So this means X times 0.6 equals 37.50. Correct? Yes. Then now we move 0.6 to this side to make it divide by 0.6. So 37.50 divide by 0.6 equals, if you put this into your calculator, 37.5 divided by 0.6 equals £62.50. So our answer is £62.50. You can pause the video if you want to make it a bit more easier. Okay, this is simple algebraic equation. We did this 2 videos ago. So 8 plus the 9 this side, so 19, so 7x equals 28. And divide by 7, x equals 4. These are quite simple. Okay, we need x both sides, so plus 2x. 7x plus 3 equals 18. Minus 3 both sides. Be 7x equals minus 21, because if you minus 18 minus 3 equals minus 21. That means divide by 7. Minus 21 divided by 7 equals minus 3. That is x equals minus 3. Okay, first we need to expand the brackets. 8x minus 12 equals 24 minus 12x. Okay, so plus 12x each side. 20x equals minus 12 plus 24. Then plus 12 each side. Oh, sorry, that is not correct. And try to rub it out. So 8x plus minus 12 equals 24. Plus 12 each side, 8x equals 36. And 36 divided by 8 equals 4.5. X equals 4.5. Those are quite simple, so I did that a bit quick. Okay. Make x the subject of the formula. First, we need to multiply this up. Rx minus R3 equals T. 3 plus R3 to both sides. So Rx equals T plus R3. Then we divide by R, so X equals T plus R3 divided by R. So that is part 2 on the Math Full Course test review. Okay, so we're going to start on with a square has an area of 121 centimeters squared. So, and we have to find the length of its sides. So let's draw it out. We have a square. Oh, that's not the best square. Probably should draw a bit better. Okay, let's pretend that's a square. And that has 121 centimeters squared. These are all the same. So x times x equals 121. So we just square root 121 to equal x. So square root 121 in your calculator equals 11. This means x equals 11 and it's all the same. So equals 11 centimeters. Find the length of its diagonals to your answer to one decimal place. Okay. We'll draw a square. There we go, that's better square. And we'll put 11 and 11. And if we do its diagonals, that's its diagonal. So this is x. And as you can see, this is a right angle triangle. So each two Pythagorean theorem. So this is A, this is B, and this is x. So we'll do 11 squared plus 11 squared equals x squared. So 121 times 2 equals 242. Square root of 242 equals, put that in your calculator, square root of 242 equals 15.6. So it's 15.6. So the length is 15.6 centimeters. Okay, next question. A triangle has sides of length 6, 9, and 11. Justify with full reasoning whether this triangle is right angled or not. So to see if it is right angled, this 11 has to be the hypotenuse. So I'll draw a right angled triangle and put this as 11, 9, and 6. So 9 squared plus 6 squared, well, 11 squared we already know equals 121. So 9 squared plus 6 squared has to equal 121. So 81 plus 36 equals 117. So this is not right angle triangle. More triangles. Okay, find the missing side lengths of angles in the shape below. So we have to find A, B, and C. So this is the cliffhanger of this video, and I hope you enjoy this part 3. We'll see you in part 4. Okay, after this cliffhanger we had on part 4, we're gonna go to this question. So this has a bit of trigonometry, and it asks us to find the missing side lengths of all angles in the shape below. So we need to find A. We don't need to find that. A, C, and B. We don't need to find this H since it's not labelled. So we need to find A, B, and C. Okay, let's start off first with A. So in here it's some trigonometry. So we have, this is the hypotenuse, and the one next to it must be the adjacent, and this the opposite. Wait 5 seconds, I just need to do something. There we go. Just need to distract some noise. So opposite, so tan 35 equals opposite over adjacent, sorry. Okay, so tan 35, in other words, will equal opposite over 12, and then we times 12 by both sides. So this will be 12 tan 35 equals opposite. If we put in our calculators, tan 35 times 12, this will be 8.4. This then determines that the opposite equals 8.4, or A. So I found A, which equals 8.4. Okay, I'll rub this out, if it will work. And so our next thing will be, so the next thing that we need to find is B. And so in this case, we need to find the angle, which will be quite harder. So we have found A, that is 8.4, and we have the hypotenuse. So if we have the hypotenuse, if we have the opposite and the hypotenuse, we'll be using tan again, right? So it'll be tan B equals 8.4 over 23. Okay. So actually, I don't think this will be the best way, since I think we should find C first. So we can just do Pythagoras easily. Okay. So 8.4 squared plus C squared equals 23 squared. And if we do 8.4 squared, that is 70.6, plus C squared equals 23 squared, 529. Then 529 minus 70.6 equals 458.4. Oh. 458.4. Then square root of 458.4 equals, put it in the calculator, 21.4. So C equals 21.4. Okay, so we've got C, we've got A. Now our mission is to find B. Right, 21.4. So we put the 8.4 and 21.4. Okay. Now our mission is to find B. So to find B, we will need to do B equals tan minus 1. That will be 8.4 divided by 21.4. This is because we're finding the angle this time, and not just the side. So put in your calculator, tan minus 1 brackets 8.4 divided by 21.4. This will give you B equals 21.4. There you go. Thank you for watching that video, and subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. If you like this video, look at some more videos about the Mathful course and others to help you with your maths.